We are unboxing the Ryzen 7 2700. There's no X on the end of this one, don't get too excited, but I thought it was going to be the best part for my new build, and that is partially because of the thermals. So it's at 65 watts instead of the 100 plus that the 700X runs at. So it's going to stay a little cooler. Plus, from everything I've been reading, you can overclock the 2700 to 2700X speeds without much of an issue. So a little bit of a cost savings as well. In case you want to see what's inside, keep watching, because that's all we're doing here. We're just taking it out of the box. Let's get out our handy dandy X-Acto knifey. I'm saying X-Acto knife. Not exactly a knife guy, but you can cut with that, in case you didn't know. So upon opening the box, which I actually have not opened yet, unlike some other things I've unboxed, well, right away you have the fantastic processor. I'm not sure if that's going to zoom in on that or not. We'll make sure we get it close up. It comes with a sweet little sticker. I always enjoy putting those on PC cases. With my new one, in case you haven't seen the one I've chosen, well, you can find that link somewhere down below. It's got an all glass side and glass front. It's the Metallics Gear Neo G Mini. And I'm not sure where stickers would really look good on that. Maybe on the inside somewhere, maybe on the back. I gotta put it somewhere. I love repping the AMD stickers somewhere on the build. So that is the main thing. However, we also get a stock cooler that is pretty fantastic from what I've read. Let's unbox that. You can see it's got a nice little plastic formed situation. Look at that. Oh, new coffee cup holder. Check that out. So here you have the stock heatsink, which comes with thermal paste. I don't know. I guess I could just leave it on there. I might use the Arctic Silver that I have. And yeah, you'll see in the close-up, there's a very thin LED ring that lights up. I believe it's the Asus. What do they call it? AuraSync compatible. I think that's their thing. So that's pretty cool because my motherboard also supports that. It's got the spring-loaded screws that you just tighten down. Everything I've read said this is a pretty good cooler, so I'm going to be using that. It's even got a nice braided cable on the side, which gives it that little premium feel. What else? That's about it, really. I believe this goes to the fan. Oh, maybe it extends it? We'll find out, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, so that's pretty much it for this unboxing. You get a really nice cooler heatsink with the 2700. I believe the 2700X has an even beefier cooler, and I'm not sure about the rest of the line, to be honest, but I can tell you for sure, because we just opened it, the 2700 has a nice cooler and comes with at least one awesome sticker. You know what? Let's go ahead and open this up, because what if there's more stickers? We don't want to leave you in the dark. We as in me, the only person in here. Maybe the cats. The cats have to wait outside though. So yeah, just one sticker. Still very awesome processor. Got this one on sale for Black Friday, so I'm pretty excited. 8 cores, what is that, 16 threads, I believe. So definitely going to be an upgrade from my 4-core processor that I'm currently using. Ideally, if I get this thing built today, I'll be editing the video on this processor, and that would be pretty sweet. So until next time, stay classy.